In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete or reset game data on Android. Let's get started. First, open Settings on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on Apps. You can either scroll and look for the games or tap the search bar and search for the game you want to reset. Open the app info by tapping on the games, then tap Clear All Data at the bottom right corner. Now tap OK. This confirms your selection, and this will reset your game data on Android and erase all saved progress. If your game is connected to Google Play Games or Facebook, make sure to log out first, then log back in with new account to start fresh. Alternatively, you can uninstall and reinstall the game. Go back to Settings, find the game under App Management, and tap Uninstall, then confirm. Once uninstalled, open the Play Store, search for your game, and tap Install. This will give you a completely fresh start. And that's how you clear game progress on Android. If this helped, subscribe for more Android tips.